Hello, this is Systems of Linear Equations and Inequalities, solving linear systems by graphing, example 4. And it's a nice little story problem about a trip to Florida. 7 days altogether. They figure it'll cost $275 a day for Tampa, $400 per day in Orlando. And the total that they want to spend for 7 days is $2,300. The way to solve these is to get these things in your own words. You may write it a little bit differently than I do, but we should have the same information here. All through the problem it talks about the number of days, and that's the question, how many days in each location. So I said X days in Tampa at $275 a day. Now this should suggest multiplication to you. This will be a reoccurring theme in a lot of story problems where you know how much one costs, and if you know how much one costs, then you multiply times how many you buy, or how many days you're there in this case. Like if you know how much 1 gallon of gasoline costs and you buy 5, well, you multiply by 5. Very similar for the days in Orlando. 7 days total. 7 days total. So that means x plus y has to be 7. And this is going to be our total when we add up our multiplications there. So let's see, we said, well, the simple one we said is x plus y equals 7. That's the days in Orlando and the days in Tampa. Then we said this times x, so that's 275x plus 400y. See, this is the amount of money I spend in Tampa, this is the amount of money I spend in Orlando, and altogether this has to add up to 2,300. And really the hard part is done. Now I have two equations, and I can graph them, and I can solve this. So let's see. X plus y equals 7. Okay, x could be 7 and y could be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or y could be 7 and x could be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are those 2 points. I'll connect them up. See, and you have the points 6, 1 and 5, 2. All of those add up to 7. Now 275x plus 400y equals 2,300. Well, I'll start out with x equals 0. X equals 0. Then 400y equals 2,300, so I end up with 2,300 divided by 400. $5.75. Okay. Now I'll start out with y equals 0. See, then I'll have 275x equals 2,300. So this time I have to divide 2,300 by 275, which is 8.3636 and so forth. So I'll make it 8.4. So let's try these 2 points. 0, comma 5.75. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.75 is right there, close to 6. And 8.4, comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.4 is going to be very close to 8.5. And it looks like the graph intersects right there at the point 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4x, 4 is x, so it's 4 days in Tampa, and y is 3, and 3 days in Orlando. So what we come up with is 4 and 3.